stage tower.
Okay, now we will try our
So today I'm going to play this stage 9 tower because it's so fun and cute if you play movies. If you play OBs, it will make you prouder than your mom did to you last time. So the night stage tower is cute.
Wait, I have a challenge.
What is it?
If you put your hands down in 5 seconds, I mean 5 hands, it means you put down your hand in 5 hands. That means it's true. Like, Okay. Oh, what's going on? Why does never jump?
I tried to jump, but she's done.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
But
Okay, if you put down 5 fingers, it means your mother or your father.
what?
If you're grounded, you have a bell.
Bro, my mom don't do that. Our mom don't do that, right?
Yeah, but the others.
Oh
if
yeah. If you get grounded, guys, put your 5 hands. Hurry.
Okay.
Because you know what your mom do to you now.
Guys. You must know.
You must know what your mom need to do to you. If not,
It's alright.
call your dad.
Immediately. Or you don't know. That's okay.
If he borrow you some phone for 5 minutes, go to the bathroom and call your dad.
Why?
Because if their mom gonna
Oh yeah, child abuse.
child abuse is so really not good for kids.
Totally, yeah. I'm agree. Disagree.
Because if you don't want to do that again, you will have a child abuse. Because a child abuse will permanently judge you.
Yeah, you're permanently sad and grumpy to do what your mother did.
To do what your mother do, and she will says, "Get out from this house."
Okay, we can stop talking right now because totally we're on a video. We're on a video and we're talking for a child abusement. Okay, now let's go.
If your mom child abuse you, call the police
Immediately. Yeah. Okay, now we're on this stage 16. The 15 is so hard. Totally hard. But that good at Ube, it's not hard to them, right? It can be just like, hey, I'm tired. Like nothing like that.
Your face is so ugly. Oh my gosh. If you go to that blocks, it will
like that. Throw you from somewhere.
Yeah, she will do that.
That's bad. Ooh, tried to jump, man. This is weird. Ah! Ow! Oh my god! Oh my god!
My sister is so funny, boys.
Hey, don't judge.
I'm not judging, I'm just saying to the fans.
Why? I'm your sister. Yeah.
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 Ah!
You usually never know how to parkour.
Yeah.
That's so easy.
It's so easy, man. Yeah.
When we try to convince our parents to a Robux, they don't want to give us. So I'm watching free stuff, how to get free accessories, so I look like I'm rich.
Hey, you're not rich.
But I'm redeeming a free code because if you want a free code, I will give you one.
Go to the Google and search Roblox.com
and redeem the codes that you earned. Oh yeah,
just like this. I check slash. Why expire?
Slash read. Redeem. Send.
Oh yeah, I totally saying right now. Roblox.
See, and the code is FREENGNOI, and this is the code. And the next code for the girls is FEENGN.
And
yeah, that's the least check. So
yeah.
that is the code.
Second code.
Yeah, that is the code. But if you want the one code, then don't say this code because you're not allowed to do that.
Why is it so hard?
I try my best for this because I know it's so hard for girls
from big like you.
Wait, shut up!
Yeah, shut up, man. You're so.
I'm so cute at parkour. This avatar is so cute.
Yeah, I know, but in real life, you're just a chunky. You're just a stick.
Hey, shut up! Don't tell them. Don't tell them that. But you're just a chunky girl with a.
You're a stick.
A baby tummy.
You're a stick.
You have a baby fat like Roblox.
Hey.
But your account has a baby fat like you are.
You had a baby, small stick head.
I got a baby fat.
You don't need to judge. Tati.
Ooh, why am I doing it? I got a baby fat because I love eating. I love eating chicken nuggets.
Okay, you can shut up now. Quiet a little bit. Quiet.
I'm sorry. Someone just fell down. I thought I'm gonna fall.
Just shut up, man.
Likirin.
Can we leave now? Fine. Okay, that's all. So thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my account.